Hi, this is Ray Salisbury, bringing you more photographic goodness. In the first training video, we looked at the 3 critical factors you need to fast-track your photography. Click below to watch the video again. They were the right equipment in your hands, the right education in your head, and empathy in your heart. I also debunked that myth that if you buy a better camera, then your photos will be better. That's faulty logic. The reality is that if you invest in better camera gear, you might then take your photography more seriously. What you definitely do need is to learn how to use your camera. So today's training, as promised, is educational. My colleague Lydia will show you the most basic yet seldom taught fundamental technique in photography. Bet you can't guess what it is, and you will not read this in any ebook or magazine. Enjoy!
What's up? I'm Lydia Bailey. Are your images blurry? Do your images suffer from camera shake? Well, I'm here to help you to hold your camera correctly so your images are pin sharp. Oh, damn! To avoid camera shake, you really need to know how to hold your camera correctly. Whether you've got an expensive DSLR or a smaller point and shoot, these 10 tips will help you take sharper images. Firstly, put your left hand out as if you're about to serve a plate of food, and then put your camera on top of your left hand, which will hold the weight of the camera. It can also control the focus and the zoom rings. Your right hand is able to press the shutter and operate the other controls. Next, tuck your elbows into your chest so you're forming a stable triangular shape, like a human tripod. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like on profile view. As you can see, I have 3 points of contact. When shooting in portrait orientation, always make sure that your right hand is on top of the camera. Otherwise, this way is too awkward and you have to hold the weight of the camera as well as press the shutter. Not good. Part your legs slightly, as this also improves balance. If you have a smaller point and shoot camera without a viewfinder, you will have to look at the LCD screen, but don't do what everyone else does and look like a dork. I'll explain the reasoning for this. Here's a hammer. If I move my wrist 1 millimeter, the hammer could move 100 millimeters. It's the principle of leverage. This is not what you should do with a camera. Instead, keep your elbows by your sides. This way, I can still see the LCD screen. Finally, if there's insufficient light and you're using slow shutter speed, then you're gonna need a tripod. You will not be able to handhold your camera at shutter speeds lower than 1/60th of a second. Tripods come in a variety of shapes and sizes. You'll be surprised at how affordable, compact, and, cheap some of them can be. Here are some other methods of stabilizing your images. You can put your camera on a fence post, a railing, a tabletop, or even a rock. Or you can lean against a wall, or you can kneel down with your elbow on your knee. Always try to form that stable triangle shape. If you need a low-angled shot, say when photographing animals, the same basic technique applies. You can make your own beanbag and fill it with rice. This keeps the camera clean, especially on sandy beaches or wet grass. Well, I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to download our free ebook. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Wow, I wish someone had showed me that way back. Why don't you get your camera out now and practice those tips before it all fades from your memory? Go for it. Pause the video. Hey, I'd like to give you a free gift just for watching. It's a 2-page PDF called 13 Bad Habits That Can Ruin Your Photography. See if you've developed any of these nasty little habits. They're easy to pick up, but hard to shake off. Give yourself a test score and see how good you really are. Well, if today's video was educational, delivering knowledge, then the next final video in the series is all about providing inspiration. I will unpack the 3rd critical factor, that missing ingredient of motivation that could be holding you back. P.S. Please answer this quick question. Did you learn anything new in that tutorial?